All right, number 3. Which of the following is the factored form of x cubed minus 216? Now, you there's 2 ways to do this. To be honest, they've given you choices here. You could see, does x minus 6 times x minus 6 times x minus 6 give you that? It's not going to. You could sit here and go, oh, x times x is x cubed. This is going to give me minus 6x squared. X times that's 36x. And then 6 times that minus 216. Well, that doesn't work either. So you could go ahead and multiply and then come here and do this binomial times this trinomial. Does it give you the answer? This binomial times that trinomial. Does it give you the answer? Only one of them is going to work. So really, you don't even need to know how to do this. But the way we do this with both of them being perfect cubes is we use this idea of what I refer to as sofas. And it's very simple. Here's how we do it. We just start off, this is going to break down always to a binomial times a trinomial. You just take what was x cubed broken down? What is the cubic root of it? Well, it's just an x minus what multiplied 3 times by itself to give you 216? 6. So the opening term, the binomial, is going to be x minus 6, which you can see both of them have an x minus 6 there. Now, what is this sophist part? This is where this comes into play. The first S says to take your first piece and square it. So x squared or x times x is x squared. O says do the opposite sign because we need a plus or minus here. The original problem has a minus, so we're going to do the opposite sign. We're going to put a plus. The F says to fuse these together. Just multiply that x and 6 together, which gives me 6x. A stands for always add. And S, just like the first S meant square the first term, the final S means square the second term. And there's what it is. So it is actually choice D.